Welcome to our in-depth comparison of two popular B550 motherboards, the ASUS ROG Strix B550F Gaming and the MSI B550 Gaming GEN3. Both motherboards cater to AMD Ryzen processors, but they offer different features and price points. In this video, we'll explore their specifications, pros and cons, and help you decide which one suits your needs best. Let's dive in. The ASUS ROG Strix B550F gaming motherboard supports PCIe 4.0, allowing for faster data transfer rates with compatible devices, while the MSI B550 Gaming GEN3 is limited to PCIe 3.0. This difference can significantly impact performance, especially for high-speed SSDs and graphics cards. If you're looking for future-proofing and maximum performance, the ASUS board has the edge. The ASUS ROG Strix B550F gaming motherboard features advanced cooling solutions, including multiple heat sinks and fan headers to ensure optimal thermal performance. In contrast, the MSI B550 Gaming GEN3 offers basic cooling features, which may not be sufficient for high-performance builds. Gamers who push their systems to the limit will benefit from the superior cooling of the ASUS board. When it comes to connectivity, the ASUS ROG Strix B550F gaming motherboard offers USB 3.2, Gen 2 Type-C, and HDMI 2.1, providing faster data transfer and support for higher resolutions. The MSI B550 Gaming GEN3, while still functional, only includes USB 3.2 Gen 1 and HDMI/DVI outputs, which may limit your options for modern peripherals and displays. For users who require extensive connectivity, the ASUS board is the better choice. In conclusion, both the ASUS ROG Strix B550F Gaming and the MSI B550 Gaming GEN3 motherboards offer solid performance for AMD Ryzen processors. However, the ASUS board stands out with its PCIe 4.0 support, advanced cooling solutions, and superior connectivity options, making it a better choice for gamers looking for high performance. If you're on a budget, the MSI board remains a viable option, but it lacks some of the premium features found in the ASUS model. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.